Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Chippa 0. I'm joined by Umenier Watiski. Nonchebe. Ubuyele umbone. Ubuyele ngiyala.
Kadedlala lo muntu lo. Kadedlala lo muntu.
Bekadlala.
Umbona ngidlala today.
Jobe bekadlala. Oh Makhawula. Ushaka seyakini mara le kanje.
Phuma da.
No, ubuthi woneni.
Asikele isikhathi.
Ubuza abantu abadala. Ubuza abantu abadala. Bazokutshela ngoMakhawula.
Aphuma da. Siwo.
Bonile futhi bekanifuna ra. Giants.
Siwo. Asingabonje isikhathi. Asibuyele egamini. Alright. Today if ngenza iphutha bezidlala igame yethu yokugcina la esigodini.
Yes, definitely.
Kulo nyaka lo.
Yes.
Alright. Ngike nje ngathatha isikhathi sami. Futhi nakhona ngithathanga nje isikhathi eside. I think kube yi-hour nje ukuchecka izinto ezenzakala uma sidlala la esigodini. Alright, number 1. Kuwa khona nje into efikile yathi angicheck ukuthi amagoli ethu siwakora kanjani kuphi ngasiphi isikhathi siconsider kuphi ngasiphi isikhathi. Alright. Uma siza kule game today bezidlala ama game a11. Yes, la eOrlando. Angwabala ama away games. Kulama game a11 besikora amagoli ayi18. Alright. Kulama goli ayi18. U13 wamagoli. Besukore kule half yebench lethu. Ngithi abona ama half ahlukaniseka yi2. Khona ihalf le ehlala ibench lethu kube khona ihalf le ehlala away bench. So kule half le yebench leBuccaneer le ngala sikora amagoli ayi13. Kule half le ehlala ibench le away sikora amagoli amangaki ayi5. Alright. Siconsider amagoli ayi3 kulama game a11 la eOrlando. Igoli eli1 siconsider kwi half yebench lethu. Amagoli ayi2 so aconsider kwi half yebench le away team. Alright. Akusikhona ukuthi lezi zinto zenzeka because ziyenzeka nje. Lento ngibuyisela kuphi Steve? Ngibuyisela ekuthenini ebholeni kunezinto esibiza ngokuthi ama metrics. Ama metrics sibheka sibheka iculture, sichecka ama social aspects, like lezo zinto lezi kanjalo. Well, the reason why sikora amagoli ayi13 kule half yebench lethu maningi ama factors contributayo, but okuyona engingasho ukuthi iyona egqamile. Number 1, if kuthi ibench lethu lila eduze kwe half yethu sikora kuleyo half, it's easier for a technical team to issue out ama instruction okanye offensive instruction okanye lokho sithi ngokolimo deep level ama coaching points. The reason why sikora amagoli amangaki ayi13 kule half yebench lethu, that is the reason why sikora amagoli amangaki ayi5 kule enye half, because it's not easy ukuthi ukhiphe ama coaching points because ile half njani ikude nebench lethu. Again, remember ngithi siconsider amagoli amangaki kwi-half yethu, siconsider igoli njani eli1. Again, kuba easy ukukhipha ama coaching points defensively because i-defense yethu kuphi ila closer to our technical team. Ngiyayithola?
Ngiyakubamba.
Asibeleni la lamagoli ayi2 esiwaconsider ngithi siwaconsider kule half yani yebench le away because nakhona kuba difficult ukuthi wenze njani to give out ama coaching points during a game. There is why we consider more kule half yani away because ibench lethu li good. And nakhona muthi uyacheck la magoli esiwa consider against isikhukhuni sahluleka ukudila nani ne second ball against iMagesi sahluleka ukudila nani ne set piece and angani noma abanye bazothi iya surprise anilento lama team oyithu abuya kuphi Magesi nesikhukhune babuya kuphi eLimpopo and boyithu bascore kephi half kule half le ye away
Okay.
kulama game 11 siwina ama game 9 sadlala I draw A1 le game ezidlala khona I draw A1 ila Sundowns khona ekore kwi half yethu saluza igame A1 guess ukuthi le game A1 esiluzile iTeam ikore kuphi ikore kule side elilandani le away
Okay.
Sikhukhune 1 Pirates not alright uma sesibuyela ngokwama percent before igame ya today 72% wamagoli ethu sukore kwi half yethu and then 28% sawukora kule half yani ye away bench and then if kese siyabuya manje si include igame ya today first half siye kwi half time kuba iscore
Milni.
ku not iPirates ibekora kuphi first half iqala ukukora kule away bench sahluleka ukukora uma sibuya ngesecond half score upha amagoli ethu
Bench le.
kuyile half sakora amagoli amangaki ayi2 remember mesibuya ngesecond half ngikutshelile ngakuvezela iphepha ngathi kuna something ezokwenzeka because I knew ukuthi iPirates izokora kule half okanye whoever ma chances amaningi usenze njani ukuthi sikore remember bengithe siza kule game besikora amagoli amangaki ayi13 so if include le 2 ya today sesikora amagoli amangaki ayi15 emagamini ayi12 sidlala kuphi esigodini ngokwama percent which means now sikora amagoli 75% wamagoli ethu sukore kule half yethu ye bench lethu and then 25% sukore kuphi kwi away sengiyivala 10 minutes we game umfukeng udlala a pass kwi half space udlalela uhodo udlala I cutback udlalela umbuthumo unfortunately umbuthumo wahlulwe wenze njani ukore second goal okanye first goal umfukeng wenza the very same thing udlala kwi half space udlalela bani uhodo udlala I6 evidence uqhamuka wenze njani qhamuke yaqeda ngihleze ngikutshela ngithi football igame yani yama patterns inkosi ithele umusa kubona bonke abalalele nababukelayo ngiyabonga
Thank you Minera ya. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?